Hello and welcome to the Papa John's video guidelines. These guidelines will help you in performing your shop and complete your report to avoid exclusions and other problems. So let's start. You will be performing a shop for Papa John's in your country. Your shop will be either a phone delivery or a phone carry-out. Before asking for a phone delivery shop, check if the restaurant is within range. Remember, you can't collect your pizza on the street. It's important during the call you will perform to always ask for the quoted time for delivery. They have to communicate you when your pizza is expected. So now let's talk about your pizza. You can order only prescribed sides for your country and only one of the specialty pizzas allowed. So remember, no extra toppings on your pizza. Please don't remove the toppings that are already on your pizza from it. Don't put any sauce on the pizza. And don't order a thin crust or use different toppings on each side of one half of the pizza. Here we have a pizza with a good quality and a good image. It's important for you to know that this is not just a POV, but a really relevant part of the report for the client. Restaurants will be evaluated based on this image, which is for sure the most important part of the whole assignment. So let's check together all the elements your picture must have to be accepted. The photo must be taken while the pizza is still hot, and the whole pizza must be depicted without any cut or missing part. Now, it's really important that you take the photo just from the top of the pizza. Consider to have the center of the pizza as the center of your photo. This will help. All the photo with angles and perspective effects will be excluded. Also, the light is really important. Your photo must be too dark or have any shadow on it. The quality of the picture itself is really important. So the photo can be blurred, can be fuzzed, or in general not clear. Take this as a reference to help you. If you can read the Papa John's logo on the sauce container, your photo is okay. Remember to remove all the objects from your pizza and put them on the sides of the box. Finally, you have to code it properly and place a label on the top side of the picture. Now have a look at all these images. All the pizzas won't be accepted. The first one has a strange coloring. The second is too stretched out. The third is too pixelated and also has an object at the center of it. The fourth is too dark. And the fifth is a clear example of a pizza picture without a right angle. The last one is too stretched again and too oval. So why is your pizza photo so important? It's important because all the pizzas reviewed during our shops will be analyzed by Papa John's with a system that can identify the size of the crust, if the pizza is burnt, if all the ingredients are present and well placed on the entire pizza, etc. etc. If your picture is not good enough, this review can be done and the report is useless. Another important part of your report is the receipt. Always remember to collect the receipt and take the stickers from the pizza box. Not every time you will receive both, but at least one of the two is necessary to finalize your report. After this, you have to download the receipt form for your own country. from the written guidelines that you will find online. Remember to fill in all the info required. You will be also asked for the order number. This number is made with 8 digits. First 4 are the month and the current year. The other 4 is the ticket number on the receipt you received. If you don't have it or there is no ticket number, you can put 0000 for zeros. Attach the receipt and the stickers on the left empty part of the form. Be aware that incorrect receipt form will lead to exclusion, and all the data must check and be exactly the same with the ones you put in the report. Don't put 2 different times for your pizza delivery, for example, or your report will be excluded. So remember that this is an English program, so all the reports must be done in this language. There is a comment box to fill in, where you have to put all the relevant information about your purchase. If there is any negative answers, this must be explained. You have to write down the time you waited for your pizza and why. If there were any problem during the delivery or the carry-out, the client must be informed. You also have to write down if you didn't receive the pepper or the sauce with the pizza. For this shop, you will be reimbursed for a full pizza with original crust, plus the tip, that it depends on your country. Now, some information about the submission of the report. Remember to fill in the report with all the info needed. The reports must be submitted within 12 hours from receiving the order. If your editing staff asks you to make some changes or to reply to some questions, you have to reply as soon as possible, or your report may be excluded. So now, let's have some final suggestion. Take at least 3 pictures of the pizza. In case of major problems, contact your resource manager. If the shop is closed, inform the resource manager. Don't fill the report, because the only call is not enough for a reimbursement. So, here we go. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your pizza.